the trick again. 15 diamond billiards, and I'm going to show you how to do half ball hit, where to hit, how to recognize a half ball hit, right, and where to hit it. All right, so just have some random balls on the table there, and it doesn't matter. All right. Okay, this, when you're lined up with this diamond, the first diamond, right, when you're lined up with it, so in other words, the two balls in line with the 13 at this point, and it was right there. That's a half ball hit, okay? That's how you recognize it from this side of the table. That's how I do it. So you go straight in the middle. So the center of your cue lines up with the edge of your object ball right there. So that's a half ball hit, right? Doesn't matter. So now, same with this one, right? Different angle, doesn't matter. As long as this is lined up here, you can recognize it. If it's a little off, then you have to obviously compensate that distance from the diamond. So it's just making it easy here, right? Make it scratchy here. Right? I'm just showing you. So the center of my cue ball, the center of my cue stick, the edge of that 11. Okay. So a couple more here. This one's a lot harder. I mean, a lot easier, I should say. It's still, it looks like it's different, but it is not. It's still a half ball hit. Alright. Hit the center. Cue ball to the right edge. Alright. A couple more. Let's say right here. And one more. Center of the cue ball and the cue stick, the edge of the right side edge. Yep. Hope that helps you guys determining the half ball hit, okay? Because I know in some of my videos I mentioned that, but I never showed you how to do it, you know. You want to see a quarter ball hit? Let's try a quarter ball. Alright, so if you line up the same way, line up the same way, that's a half ball hit to that pocket. However, if you move it over to a quarter of the pocket, actually I should say a half of the pocket. You're in half of this pocket, so half the diamond now. Now that's a quarter ball hit. I mean, yes, a quarter ball hit. So 3/4 ball hit, I should say. 3/4 of the ball will be blocking as if. Let me show you this. Okay, let's just try to hit it. So a quarter ball, which means the right edge is on the inside now of the outer edge of the object ball, not the center. Just a little bit inside. I'll try to get some diagrams to show you. That's a quarter ball hit. Try it again. So if I'm lined up to the center of this diamond, that's a half ball hit. You go to this diamond, I'm lined up, that's a quarter ball hit. Okay. So quarter ball hit. The right side of this edge of my cue stick goes to the very outside edge of that object ball. Yeah. Very good. Hope that helps you guys. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.